Hey guys, Edith Essentials here. Today's video is a DIY challenge, and a special friend of mine sent this picture to me, and I fell in love with the coffee table. So I decided to go ahead and make this using cardboard. I'll be using 8 cardboard boxes for this project, and each of the boxes are of equal sizes. Because the size is equal, when you open it up, it gives you the shape already. I'm going to remove the flaps from all the boxes. I'm also going to be using Dollar Tree frames for the coffee table. I'm going to trace and cut out the shape from 2 sides of each box. If you're new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos. I gave an allowance of 1.5 inches away from the original square that I had drawn to make it easy for me to glue on the frame to the box. I'll be covering the inside with marble contact paper. Inside the coffee table might not be seen, but I'll prefer to just keep it neat. Now I'm using this because I have a lot of these contact papers as leftovers. If you like, you can just paint the inside. Inside the box is fully covered, but just 2 sides on the outside is going to be covered with plastic corrugated sheets. And I got these sheets from Michael's craft store. The next thing I'll do is remove the content of the frame and leave just the glass. I'll be using a strong adhesive to keep the glass tightly bonded to the frame. Now I'm going to glue the frames to what I just made. I'm using a strong adhesive and a hot glue gun to attach the frames. The adhesive that I got from the Dollar Tree got finished, so I went back to my E6000 to continue with the project. I made 8 of this, and this is what they all look like. I'm gonna go ahead and open them now to get the shape that I want. And I want you guys to know that the boxes that I'm using is gonna give me a very large coffee table. If you don't have enough space for this kind of size of coffee table, you can use smaller boxes. When I was okay with the size, I glued them together with a strong adhesive and a hot glue gun and then made holes at the top and at the bottom to make it easy for me to pass the LED lights through them. I got 2 really long LED lights that one is going to pass at the top and one is going to pass at the bottom. A large shape was cut on a cardboard resembling the one that's at the top and attached at the bottom to keep it sturdy. To cover up the top, I'll be using poster frames. I'll be making use of the acrylic sheet that's in the poster frames. These are really important, and I'll be using them for the project, so they will not be thrown away. The poster frame that I got from Target is not so strong, so I decided to use the one that I'm used to from Walmart. I'm gonna make the sides thick using cardboard strips before I then slide the pieces that I removed from the poster frame on them. I'm using the snap frames because when they're together on all 4 sides, it's gonna make the acrylic sheet even stronger. I would like to cover this with a glass film, just to make it nice when the light is shining from the inside. You can skip this step, but I decided to put on a glass film on all of the sheets just to make it better when the light is on. Now this is how all the pieces that I've made look like together. I'm gonna add them up and then use tape to hold them all together and use the strong adhesive and a hot glue gun. I left it overnight to dry and then I covered up the rough glue patches with diamond wrap. I then simply just placed what I just made on top of the coffee table structure. I use remote-controlled LED lighting that's going to make it easy to change the colors. This coffee table is going into someone else's home, and I love the fact that it looks pretty with the lights on or off. And hey, I started this fun design with just cardboard. Here's what I made side by side with the inspiration photo. Don't you just love the cardboard idea? I know I do. I really hope you all enjoyed this video. Now don't forget to like it and share it with your friends and families as well. Thank you all so much for watching. I have other home decor DIY videos that are linked in the description box below to check them out, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button.